Do this guided meditation to manifest money in 24 hours or less, and you will receive a money miracle within a day. When you are ready, gently close your eyes and place your palms up in receiving mode. Take a deep breath in and out. With each breath, let yourself relax deeper. Relaxing deeper and deeper. With each breath, you feel lighter. Lighter and lighter. Your third eye, right at the center of your forehead, is now opening. Light is expanding out of your third eye, allowing your powerful, divine nature to shine fully now. Your frequency is rising to higher levels of consciousness. Higher and much, much more powerful. Now you are tuning into the wealth frequency. Feel the power of the wealth frequency coursing through your body, warming every part of you. From the crown of your head to the tips of your fingers and toes. Lighting up every part of you with pure potential. Now imagine standing up, feet firmly grounded to the earth and arms stretched out wide to the sky. You are like the sun. Your whole body and being is blazing with abundance. You are pulsating and emitting a powerful frequency of abundance. Abundance is radiating out from you and filling up the sky. And now you start to see money coming to you. Notes of huge sums are coming towards you from all directions. You are a complete magnet for money and abundance. Money can't help but be drawn to you. You are so powerful. Money is falling from the sky onto you. Huge amounts of money are falling at your feet. You see the sums in your bank accounts rising higher and higher. Money is appearing in so many different areas of your life. Each area of your life is becoming richer and richer. You have so much money, money of an extraordinary level. Things you dreamed of having, you now have. Things you dreamed of doing, you are now doing. And all the money you have makes you so happy. The money that is flowing to you is fulfilling all your dreams. Financial sums higher than you could ever have imagined fill your bank accounts. And you come to have this money with ease. All this money is magnetically drawn to you. You don't even need to try. It just flows to you. You feel so happy as this money continues to pour down into your life. Your money only brings good into your life. It blesses you and everyone you come into contact with. Your money is limitless. Continue to ground deeply down into the earth with your feet as you receive your abundance. And continue to raise your hands up high to the sky, welcoming the never-ending flow of money into your life. And while you're absorbing this abundance frequency, let the words I am about to say sink deeply into your subconscious mind and feel them become true for you. I love and appreciate money. Money is good. I deserve money. I am worthy of wealth. Abundance is my birthright. I am in receiving mode. I am receiving extraordinary wealth. Money flows to me with ease. I am a money magnet. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. The supply of money is endless. I deserve my good. I am supported by the universe. I trust that everything works out for me. I am an abundant being. I am wealthy beyond my wildest dreams. My life is rich and wonderful. Now place your hands on your heart center and connect with the gratitude within you. Give thanks for the flow of abundance you have just received and continue to receive. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have just been blessed with phenomenal luck, and you will see money come to you in the next 24 hours. It is done. Enjoy your abundance. You really deserve it. And keep doing this meditation daily so that you can gain momentum and build great wealth in your life. When you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you for connecting with your limitless abundance today, my friend. This is Jess, and I love you.